Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, All-in-One. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Arduino Pixel LED design for Christmas trees. Before going to the video, please like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications for my new day-to-day updates. So let's go to the video. Let's see what we need. An Arduino Uno board, Pixel LEDs, and jumping wire. Okay, we want to know these Pixel LED wires. The red wire is plus wire, the white wire is negative wire. And the green wire is a data pin. First, we need to untie this. Let's connect these jumping wires to a Pixel LED clip. Connect the red wire to the 5-volt slot. And connect the white wire to an GND slot. And connect the data pin to the digital pin 3 slots. Okay, we are almost done connecting all wires. Let's upload the program. This is the program for Christmas tree LED design. You can download the diagram and program below the description. Okay, our upload is done. Let's put this LED to our Christmas tree. Next time I will bring to you an Arduino LED ring design. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.